Because I can bet you don't really want a problem on this stage, right?
Definitely no.
Alright. All I can tell you is this. You make sure, sir, keep an eye on him. Matter of fact, keep 2 eyes on him. But guess what?
What?
I don't really think I did that work in a long way, no, brother. You have to end to the chapter. Yeah, man.
Where you mean? Like resign in your position?
If you understand something like it, you not cut from the same cloth, you not make out of the same fabric, you not have the same material, what them look for. You get the job done, but them say me unconventional. So, but I tell you something, you have a whole heap of things over need to get done. You understand? You have some trees to chop, some weeds to root out.
Savage. You and I see eye to eye for most things. But brother, can't even pretend so me can support you on that decision. Cause you are, yes, they might say you are conventional because you have knowledge of both sides of the fence. And I can tell you, personally, I know you need it right this one, right now.
Late something and no go work in a man. At least them clean up the place. Yo, Dada. Yeah, go on with that. You safe? Yeah, man, Dada. Love, man. You get no link on them boy there. Them boy they are going with. What's there? Still investigating on my bro. Don't worry yourself, man. You soon find out how. Brother, you need to find out that fast, brother, because I not take no check with that move, brother. That where them boy they going with. I not run a joke with that dog. Just run that profile like quick and fast that we could get this over with that, you see me? A real talk, you know, bro. But you know, some feel like them a pre-me too. So that me a talk about, brother. Brother, you have to watch yourself to that. So I tell you, just keep your eye them open and watch everybody, ever hands move a problem down. And just keep everything on a level still, because remember we don't want to load up nothing in our community. And build, we are trying to build it for me, see me? So tell quick say you over it. You know what I mean? Yeah, brother. But me now go build back. After you watch my back, you know, brother.
Well, King, make I tell you something. You might not realize it, but you see when most are done, life is much easier. Got it harder, it's easier to keep, and the peace is easier to keep.
I know exactly where you're dealing with because I face the same issue. But you see, if it ain't rough, it ain't right. And you see, right them back them time there, you don't know what it is. And right you know, you have too much to you. You want to become a dan. And things that the best and fastest way to get there is by killing the dan.
I want to tell you, when you're done, at least you know your enemies up front. See, now this police worker, brother, Let me tell you, the amount of people who are out there, night and day, it's not just who in the streets, who you work with, and to protect criminal, and some of them decide to be criminal against you as well. You never know. I mean, I tell you, sir, before me left the world, they clean up everything.